Alright, today we have to change motorcycle tires. And we got a surprise. Look at this. I took a look at this tire yesterday and it's worn all the way down there. You can see some threads that is no good and it's becoming an unsafe condition. So we're going to swap these tires. The first thing you're going to need if you're going to change tires at home is some kind of bead breaker. I'm making one here out of this chunk of maple. You want a good solid chunk of hardwood. And then we're going to cut it on an angle.
What was that?
Sander is fabulous. Really aggressive.
It's the new Milwaukee sander?
Yeah, it's the Milwaukee. It's the M18
Cool.
sander. It's fabulous.
What are you doing?
Trying to figure out how this breakdown comes out. So
Looks like the tire is off other than
Yeah,
that.
the wheel's loose.
Yeah, the wheel. Cool.
Alright, so you can see where this tread was worn down in the center of this tire. And already how shallow these tread markers are. This bike has good tread through the middle still. This tire, good tread through the middle still. And all the way out to the outside end.
So what are you doing now? Letting the air out of the tire?
I'm letting the air out of the tire. I'm going to pull this valve stem, which something's a little funky with it. So yeah.
Alright, what are you doing now?
I'm using the tire levers to grab the bead on the inside, kind of walk it around.
To remove the tire?
Yeah, I'm trying to move the tire. High pressure. We'll set the pressure to 43 psi.
Awesome! This is the new compact inflator from Milwaukee Tool. Alright, we're almost finished with the tire changes. Matt is just reattaching the front tire to Providence right now. Karma does not yet have a front tire, but the tire is back on the wheel. The wheel just has to go back onto the bike. The tire swap is complete. Providence, our BMW R1200R, now has the Michelin Pilot Road 4s. And these are garbage tires that are just on there so we can roll the bike until we get the new ones.